Hey folks, this is the second chainsaw video in my collection. It's not a working saw this time, it's just one in the collection. I just like it. It's an old Etowah 60S 60 Super. I think the later ones had CS60 on them, but this is an earlier model. See, it's got Super there. And they're all CS60s because if you look at the plate, CS60S. CS stands for chainsaw, so there you go. It's got an old Oregon bar on it. Saw's in good shape. Compression's kind of low, but running in a few minutes, it still does pretty good. Cylinder one's up. This is an older one, and it's still got the Kyoritsu Echo on the side. The later ones that's painted or a decal or something. It's not actually in the metal like on these first ones. Manual oiler. No automatic oiling on these. Choke lever. Throttle lock. The normal stuff. Off and on, low and high. Adjust the idle in here. It's a good old saw. One thing you notice about it is these old Echoes are heavy for the size of them. They don't play around. They were built tough. The Japanese can actually build good chainsaws. It's a good old saw. Never had any problem with it. It runs. Probably not the greatest because I don't run it often enough for the diaphragms to get good and wet before I put it up again, but it does run. Let's start it up. You can hear it run. So that's my Etowah 60S Super. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.